Hey y'all, it's Julie, the nursing tutor. A student sent me some of these problems and I wanted to work them for you, so here we go. A client with heart failure is prescribed furosemide 60 milligrams daily. Available is furosemide 20 milligram tablets. How many tablets will the nurse administer round to the nearest whole number? So this is just a straightforward dose ordered over dose on hand times how it's available. I say what he wants over what you got times how it comes. So what he wants is 60 milligrams. What we have that is milligrams is 20, because it has to have the same last name to go in this fraction. That's the law. Times 1 tablet. This fraction says 60 divided by 20. And they would times it by whatever number is right there. So we'll get our calculator and do 60 divided by 20 equals. And he would need three what? Tablets. Whatever you tacked on right there. So be sure and put the last name. I got a new little doohickey here, so we're trying to make it work. And look, oops. We saved another one. Boom. Yeah, we did. Okay. Look at this one. A patient with benign prostatic hyperplasia is prescribed doxazosin 4 milligrams daily. Available is doxazosin 2 milligrams immediate release tablets. How many tablets will the nurse admit? Oh, look, I told you the answer, but it don't matter if you can't get it. So, round to the nearest whole number. What does the doctor want? He wants them to get 4 milligrams. What do I have in my hand that's milligrams? 2 milligrams. And that's per tab. And so we're going to do the math. This divided by that times that. Okay. 4 divided by 2 equals, and then times 1, it would still be 2, so they will get 2 tablets. Look, sure enough will, won't he? Boom. We saved another one. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at here. A client with gonorrhea is prescribed ceftriaxone 250 milligrams IM times 1 dose. Available is ceftriaxone 50 milligram vial that must be reconstituted with 2.1 milliliters of lidocaine. How many milliliters will the nurse administer round to the nearest tenth? So what he wants is 250 milligrams. So we're going to do 250 milligrams. What I have in my hand, I have 500 milligrams worth of powder, and I'm going to add 2.1 milliliters of lidocaine to it. So from the information we have here, what has milligrams? 500. And how does that come? In 2.1 milliliters of lidocaine. And then we're going to do this math. This divided by that times that. Let's do it. Okay, 250 divided by 500 equals times 2.1 equals. Okay, it's going to be 1.05, but she said round it to the nearest tenth, and the tenth is the first place behind the decimal. So that 5 will make that 0 a 1. So it would be 1.1 milliliters what we going to give him in his shot. Boom. Yeah, we saved another one. Yeah. It's simply how we roll round here. Okay. So, a client with an upper respiratory infection. Oops. Don't let me make you dizzy. Okay, a client. Oh! You almost got a head injury. I saved you, though. All right. A client with an upper respiratory tract infection is prescribed azithromycin IV 500 milligrams once daily to infuse over 3 hours. Available is a vial of azithromycin 500 milligrams per milliliter with directions to dilute with normal saline to the concentration of 2 milligrams per milliliter. At what rate will the nurse program the pump round to the nearest whole number? Okay, so what he wants them to get is 500 milligrams. 500 milligrams. And the strength of what we have, after it's got 500 milligrams in it, and they diluted it to, and this is the per, you see that? Or the concentration that we are looking for to work this. Now, it's not saying 2 milligrams, 1 milliliter, that's all it is. It's saying that's the concentration. So what is a milligram in my hand? 2 milligrams times 1 ml. And we're going to do the math. You ready? So 500 divided by 2 equals. And so we would need to give them 250 milliliters to be able to give this medicine. And he wants it to go in over 3 hours. And there's a pump. You see that? Go in over 3 hours, and we have a pump. Anytime there's a pump, that means you're doing a milliliters per hour. And the formula for that is a total volume divided by the time in hours. So the total volume we need to give is 250 milliliters. And we got to give that over 3 hours. And so this fraction says 250 divided by 3. And we're doing it. Here we are. 250 divided by 3 equals. You see that? And it said round to a whole number. So we need to set the pump at 83, because the 3 right here is not going to do nothing. You know, he's just going to sit there. But we're going to set the pump at 83 milliliters per hour. Boom. Yeah, we saved them. You see that? Yeah, we did. You saved another one. Okay. Now, this one says, a client with heart failure is prescribed furosemide 20 milligrams. Sorry, I know I don't know if this sucker going to work for me. Anyway, a client with heart failure is prescribed furosemide 20 milligrams PO once daily. Available is furosemide 40 milligram tablets. How many tablets will you administer? Round it to the nearest tenth. So what he wants is 20 milligrams. And what we have is 40 milligrams per 1 tablet. So we're fixing to do this math, okay? 20 divided by 40 equals. And we're going to have to give him half 0.5 of a tab. Look. Boom. We saved another one. You see that right here in front of everybody? And that's the end. Is that the end? No. You know who that was? Janet. Okay. Well, I hope that you enjoyed every bit of it. Every single bit of it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.